Pakistan has long been a recipient of financial assistance from the United States, dating back to the 1950s. Over the years, this financial aid has become a crucial component of Pakistan's economy, with the country relying heavily on it to sustain its budgetary needs. This video will explore Pakistan's dependence on U.S. financial assistance, expected gains from Pakistan in return, especially during President Biden's tenure. Pakistan's dependence on U.S. financial assistance. Pakistan's dependence on U.S. financial assistance has been a subject of much debate and controversy over the years. In 2020, the U.S. provided Pakistan with $63 million in economic assistance and $2.4 billion in security assistance. These funds were allocated towards various development projects, such as education, health, and infrastructure, as well as towards military aid to bolster Pakistan's counter-terrorism efforts. One of the primary reasons for Pakistan's dependence on U.S. financial assistance is its struggling economy. Pakistan has faced numerous economic challenges, including high inflation rates, high levels of debt, and lack of foreign investment. U.S. aid has been critical in helping Pakistan sustain its budgetary needs, as well as in investing in infrastructure and other development projects. Expected gains from Pakistan in return. While Pakistan relies heavily on U.S. financial assistance, the U.S. expects certain gains in return. One of the primary concerns for the U.S. is Pakistan's role in regional stability, particularly in Afghanistan. The U.S. has fought in Afghanistan for over 2 decades, and Pakistan's support is critical in stabilizing the region. The U.S. has been pressuring Pakistan to play a more active role in ensuring peace in Afghanistan and preventing cross-border terrorism. The U.S. also expects Pakistan to take a stronger stance against terrorist organizations operating within its borders, such as the Haqqani Network and the Taliban. These groups have been a significant threat to regional stability and have been responsible for numerous terrorist attacks in Afghanistan and India. In addition, the U.S. expects Pakistan to be more transparent and accountable in its use of U.S. aid. There have been concerns over the years that U.S. aid to Pakistan has been diverted towards other purposes, such as funding Pakistan's military operations against India. The U.S. has been pressuring Pakistan to be more transparent in how it uses U.S. aid and to ensure that it is not diverted towards any other purpose. Biden's expected gains from Pakistan. With the election of President Biden, there are several expected gains from Pakistan in return for U.S. financial assistance. President Biden has been a strong advocate for human rights, and there is an expectation that he will pressure Pakistan to improve its human rights record, particularly with regards to the treatment of minorities such as the Ahmadiyya community and the Baloch people. President Biden is also expected to focus more on environmental issues, and there is expectation that he'll pressure Pakistan to take stronger steps towards reducing carbon emissions and tackling climate change. Furthermore, President Biden is expected to take a tougher stance against China, and there is an expectation that he will rely on Pakistan as a strategic partner to counter China's influence in the region. This could lead to increased U.S. aid towards Pakistan, as well as closer cooperation on security and economic issues. Conclusion. In conclusion, Pakistan's dependence on U.S. financial assistance is a critical component of its economy, and there are expected gains in return. The U.S. expects Pakistan to play a more active role in regional stability, take a stronger stance against terrorist organizations, and be more transparent in its use of U.S. aid. With President Biden's tenure, there are also expectations for Pakistan to improve its human rights record, address climate change, and act as a strategic partner against China's influence. As such, the relationship between the U.S. and Pakistan is likely to remain important in the years to come. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.